This is numbers 9 through 11. On number 9, you have been asked to find x, find the value of the variable. I want to show you something. I'm going to highlight here what makes x. It's this side right here, and it's this side right here. And I'm going to highlight the vertex. There's the vertex. Let's look at the endpoints. Here and here. Look at the arc that is between these two endpoints. Let me show you with my pen. It goes up and around and all the way to E. So it goes from M all the way through F to E. So this entire arc that goes from M to E goes with this inscribed angle here. What does that mean? Well, look, they gave you two arcs right here and right here. Let's see what they are together. When we do 80 plus 74, you get 154. So 80 plus 74 gives me 154 degrees together so far for these two arcs. What's left is the arc that's unshaded. It's this part here that goes from M to E. So if I do 360 degrees, which is all the way around the circle, minus the 154 degrees, what I'm left with is, give me just a second, (206 degrees for that entire arc. This whole arc right here is 206 degrees from M through F to E, because those are on the endpoints of my inscribed angle. Now, if you'll remember, the inscribed angle is half of the measure of its arc. So what is 206 divided by 2? It leaves x being 103 degrees, because this is going to be half of its arc. Alright, here we go. Another angle. This one, if you'll notice, we've got a secant and a tangent. So if you will remember, in order to find the angle here, we would take the bigger arc minus the smaller arc and divide it by 2, and that would equal the angle. So my big arc is 125 degrees, minus my small arc, which I don't know, is x degrees, divided by 2 should equal the angle, 22 degrees. So now we're going to multiply both sides by 22, so I get 125 minus x equals 44 when I multiply both sides by 2. Remember, I suggested that you added x to both sides, so we get 125 equals 44 plus x. Subtract 44 from both sides, and we're going to get 81. So x is going to equal 81. Now, on this one here, it's the same concept, except there's one little catch. See, the one little catch here is that we need to figure out how much is left right here. So we need to do 360 degrees minus the 45. That's going to leave this to be 315. So to find x, remember we're going to take the big arc minus the small arc divided by 2. And that's going to equal my angle. That leaves x is going to be 135 degrees.